Good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Hey, we've been talking about Kadena. We let the cat out the bag on that one yesterday. It's up over 100% this week. Well, here's another one, Loopring. Look at this graph, folks. Incredible growth, up over 100% this week, 33% in the last 24 hours. I just thought maybe we would spend a little time talking about it real quick. We do have another video on this channel talking about it. And I'm not telling you to move your money. I'm just letting you know that things are moving and you got to pay attention because it's almost like a piano. We got Live Peer out here. We've got Loopring really making some serious moves. Loopring sitting here at $2.83. And the thing that's really striking about it, I want to point this out right at the beginning, is the holders. Take a look at these holders right now. Look at how few holders it has. It has less than 100,000 holders, and it's up 30% in the last 24 hours. It's growing at a rate of about maybe anywhere from 200 to 1,000 holders a day. So we're going to keep an eye on this, and if it keeps doing this, I think when I looked at this over the past week, it's about a growth of about 5,000 holders has caused a 100% increase in the price. So if there is a relationship between holders to growth, we're going to keep an eye on this and see if we get another 1,000 holders over the next 2 or 3 days and see what happens with the next 5,000 holders and see how that affects the price. But for those of you who don't know what Loopring is, real quick, let's take a look at that real quick. There is another video on this channel talking about Loopring. I invite you to look at it. But just so you have it all in one place, Loopring LRC is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency token, an open protocol designed for building decentralized crypto exchanges. Okay. In 2020, the average daily trading volume of the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated in the approximate range of 50 to 200 million. Most of the trading is conducted on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, online platforms operated by private companies that store users' funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. Such platforms have a number of downsides common to all of them, so a new type of exchange, decentralized, has emerged to try to alleviate these disadvantages. However, fully decentralized exchanges are not without their own flaws. Loopring's purported goal is to combine centralized order matching and decentralized on-blockchain order settlement into a hybridized product that will take the best aspects of both centralized and decentralized exchanges. So that gives you a little bit of info about it, but we're going to keep an eye on this one. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.